Hi, everyone. Welcome back to This Week in AI. My name is Keyuri.
And I'm Leah. Last week, we talked all about the hype around generative AI. As you can tell, it is still trending. With all the new innovations, many people are discussing regulations and policies in AI, and that's what we'll be talking about today.
That's right. And like every day, we wake up and there's more AI news. But today, we're discussing proposed AI regulations. Governments across the world are introducing different policies around ethical AI and tech. A recent agreement between the US and EU highlighted the need for companies to act on AI regulation. This agreement consists of principles and recommendations to provide guidance to companies on how to develop and use AI responsibly. It touches on various topics like transparency, privacy, and fairness in development and deployment.
Yep, it's a wake-up call. And while responsible AI is important, it begs the question, will this hinder AI's capabilities and the progress and development of tech? Well, there are a few expected impacts of potential regulation. Firstly, regulations on data protection and privacy might limit the types of data that AI can access. And a new complex web of regulations could discourage companies from developing new technology due to fear and even negative consequences. Regulations might also limit the types of AI that are developed and used, which would likely hinder the development and use specifically of deep learning or black box machine learning.
Right. But even companies like OpenAI that brought us ChatGPT called for AI audits, mentioning the dangers associated with tech like this. I guess it really makes you think that, yes, these innovations need to be monitored and assessed to protect ethics and people's rights. But how do we do that without hindering progress in technology? And maybe the answer lies in clearly defining these rules and regulations. I think like tech teams are really going to have to understand what these policies are, or maybe even have experts help them. This may mean additional resources, but I do think most people agree that there needs to be some kind of policy and well-defined rules for innovators to follow.
Right. I think most everyone sees the need to have regulations in place for AI, like you were saying. However, the European Union's proposed AI Act has some experts worried it could have a chilling effect on AI's development. So regulations are going to face a balancing act.
Right. But I would love to hear how industry professionals think these potential policies will shape the future of AI and tech. So let us know in the comments below and see you next time. Thank you.
Thank you.